Key priorities of the ministry has been the focus on facing challenges to the agricultural sector, challenges of climate change, increasing income of our farmers, and sustainability. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare plays a crucial role in India's agricultural sector, impacting economic stability, food security, research, and rural development. Its efforts are essential for fostering a productive, sustainable, and equitable agricultural system, particularly as it addresses the sector's various challenges. Given that 51% of our country's cultivated area relies on rainfall, agriculture is highly vulnerable to climatic variations. Frequent extreme weather events have led to significant losses in crop yield and farmer income. The ministry has identified and addressed these challenges by focusing on climate change impacts on crop diseases and the durability of agricultural products. The initiative of the ministry to create pest-resistant, water-efficient crops significantly benefits all the states, including Nagaland, where over 70% of the population depends on agriculture. The release of 109 high-yielding and climatic resilient varieties of 32 field and horticulture crops will greatly benefit Nagaland farmers who have faced crop failure due to water scarcity. The ministry has also been promoting organic farming by implementing 2 dedicated schemes, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana and Mission Organic Value Chain for Northeastern region since 2015. As per information available, about 13,000 hectares in 241 villages, covering 13,500 farmers, are involved in organic farming in Nagaland. Nagaland has abundant organic resources, and organic certification has already been taken up by the department, and more areas will be covered for organic farming. The plan to set up 10,000 need-based bioresource input centers will ensure that the technological and scientific intervention will be available for the farmers whenever they need it within a short span of time. This also implies an increase of research associates being employed in the agriculture research sector. The ministry also provides farmers with insurance to safeguard their yields from non-preventable risks through schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and the restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme. These schemes offer affordable crop insurance covering risks from the pre-sowing to the post-harvest stage. Cultivation requires several inputs, including seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and reliable irrigation. Overuse and imbalanced use of fertilizers have led to significant soil health degradation. To address these issues, the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, IFCO, has developed nano-urea fertilizers using nanotechnology. This is the first in the world. This innovation aims to mitigate the problems associated with the excessive and imbalanced use of conventional urea. The ministry has incorporated nano-urea into the monthly supply plan issued by the Department of Fertilizers, and it is being made available through PM Kisan Samriddhi Kendras, which are designed to provide farmers with access to this advanced and more efficient fertilizer. As of 2019-20, about 53% of the total cropped area depended on irrigation, with agriculture being the largest consumer of groundwater, accounting for 87% of annual extraction. To enhance irrigation coverage, the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana was launched in 2015. The ministry also provides financial assistance for micro-irrigation systems covering 55% of installation costs for some and 45% for others. Despite these efforts, water-intensive crops like paddy and sugarcane are grown in water-scarce districts. I commend the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare for addressing this through the crop diversification program under the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, promoting alternative crops such as pulses, oil seeds, coarse cereals, nutri-cereals, and cotton. Agriculture is vital to the development of our country, and as half of our workforce is engaged in it, I still have 2 minutes.
No, please.
I have 2 minutes.
Every member will get 5 minutes now onwards.
I have 2 minutes.
We have too many members.
Engaged in it. It is significant, and significance is clearly evident from the emphasis given to productivity and resilience to agriculture as priority number 1 in the Union Budget of 2024-25. The ministry's strategic focus on climate resilience, sustainability and innovation is commendable and crucial for ensuring the future stability and prosperity of our agricultural landscape. From introducing climate-resilient crop varieties to enhance irrigation, infrastructure, and advancing bio-input technologies, these initiatives underscore a strong commitment to improving farmers' livelihoods and strengthening food security. As we move forward, it is imperative that we continue to support and